In this quick video, I want to show you how to go through the checkout line and check out food at an Aldi grocery store using a credit card or a debit card. Now you can use the quarter system that they have here. So basically you just rent out a cart for 25 cents, just put a quarter in there, take it out, and when you come back, you get your quarter back. They do that to save on labor cost and make sure that the carts come back. But for efficiency, I use my own bag because that's all I need. I'm gonna get me a box of stevia, really good deal at $3.89. You get 80 packs for only $3.89. All right, let's go with the fresh produce. And I want to get me organic. I always try to get organic. So this 2 cloves of broccoli organic is only $3.19. At Publix, this would probably be around $6. And let's go ahead and grab some organic celery, which is only $2.59 per stalk. And then we got organic blackberries, which is also a great deal for only $2.89. All right, let's go get us some chicken. And I love these chicken breasts. Organic chicken breasts. So it's only $4.29 a pound. So you get 2 big breasts for only $9.15. It's almost 6 pounds. And another one of my favorite is get the grass-fed ground beef. I love this. So 100% grass beef fed is only $4.99 right now. So it's off $1 from $5.99. Actually, I might go ahead and grab 2 of those since it's such a good deal. All right. So I like getting walnuts here, but I don't see any walnuts. They usually have an outstanding deal on walnuts. A big bag for only $5, but I don't see it here. Which, as you can see there, the whole thing of pistachio is only $5.49. All right, let's go ahead and check out.
Scan bags for purchase or touch to start.
And as you can see, you can also buy the bags for only 12 cents. All right. And the good thing about it is they have a scanner here and they also have one here. So usually the only thing you have to do is just slide it like that. So there's the barcode there. There's my barcode there. Sometimes you have to pull it apart so it'll read it. All right. All right, total's only $35. Same amount of food at Publix would be probably $60. And we'll get our credit card or our debit card. And I want to try to scan using the chip here, chip reader. You can put the chip in like this and go up like this, but I prefer just to tap it right here. Gotta click finish and pay. Have you scanned all your bags for purchase? Yes. Card, yes. Pay now. All right. So I want to tap.
Please place the card into the card reader and follow the instructions. Please take your items. Thank you for shopping at Aldi.